this video, I'll be showing you how can you delete your account in Indeed. In order to delete your account in Indeed, you just have to follow these steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is open up your Indeed application or log into your account through the browser. Once you are logged in, click the profile initials from the top right hand side corner of your screen. As you click that out, a drop down menu appears, so click on settings. As you go to settings, then you'll be able to see this sort of field where you have to go and scroll down in the account info section, and you could find the link or the option to close your account. So click that out, after which you'll then be asked to give a reason for closing your account. So give a reason, and after which you have to go and confirm it. So scroll down to the bottom and click on close my account, and once you've actually done it, so you'll then be able to see once again a confirmation. If you are sure about it, then click that out and read the terms and conditions. And with that being said, you'll have successfully deleted your account in Indeed. This is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.